Hoseiwo, Eugene here. This is a new bite-sized series to share tidbits of info with everyone. If you appreciate this series, do comment, like and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates. 卖涂料，来! I previously mentioned a trilemma in my previous episode: time, budget, and design. Let's expand on the two rules. All three cannot be on top of the priority list. There must be one factor that you must be willing to compromise. Let's see how this can be applied to a typical HDB or BTO homeowner. Short time frame, low cost. Design won't be fantastic. The homeowner is working with a short time frame and very limited budget. The expected design outcome would definitely lack luster compared to a project with more resources. However, if the time frame and budget is still within reasonable means, homeowners can consider engaging a contractor, or if you insist on hiring a designer, consider a freelance designer and allow them to have reins-free design control over your project. This is almost theoretical, but with the right match of client and service provider, you never know. Short time frame, fantastic design, cost will be high. When the homeowner's time is worth more than the cost of the project, it's time to rope in the brightest designers and most capable teams to handle the project. It is expected for costs to run high to achieve the desired design within a short time frame in this case. Fantastic design, low cost, long time frame. The homeowner must have an amazing relationship with the designer in this case if the designer decided to work on this project. They might even be family or relatives. The homeowner who doesn't mind living in a work-in-progress home as long as the vision is realized at the end. The homeowner who doesn't mind stretching the time frame to slowly but surely achieve the ideal design can consider becoming the DIY designer and main contractor, engaging handyman and subcontractors periodically to execute your vision. This situation would tend to be rare or hypothetical, as most of us, if not all, value our precious time. HDB and BTO homeowners will also tend to prefer the project be executed in one continuous period to completion, to be ready to live in rather than to tolerate periodic dust and noise. So, to the homeowners out there, increase your success rate for your project by balancing out this trilemma to find an equilibrium to work with. I'm Eugene, and this has been the bite-sized series of Shijin Does It.